Oh, come on. No exageres. Hi everyone, the word of the day is exagerar. Exagerar. This is a verb and it means to exaggerate. This works with feminine and masculine nouns and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. La situación no está tan mal. No exageres. La situación no está tan mal. No exageres. Hay personas que les gusta exagerar. Hay personas que les gusta exagerar. Mi amigo suele exagerar cada vez que tiene un problema. Mi amigo suele exagerar cada vez que tiene un problema. No exageremos, busquemos alguna solución. No exageremos, busquemos alguna solución. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!